Hello guys, good evening to everyone. So I hope you all are doing well, you're all good. So I came again here to discuss the part second of antonyms because I discussed with you all the part first of antonyms, etymology of antonym and its examples and why we have need of antonyms. So today in this video we will discuss about the types of antonyms because we must have to aware about the types of antonyms. कि antonyms कितने types के होते हैं? Because we have used different kinds of words and degrees, scale, relational, exhaust relations. So we have discussed here number one, that is binary, or you can say complementary antonym, or you can say antonyms. Why is it called binary complementary? Because it exhausts all relations. There is no middle ground. इसका मतलब है कि ऐसे antonyms जिनके बीच में कोई रिलेशन नहीं है, जिनके बीच में कोई मिडिल ग्राउंड नहीं है, they are just opposite. There is not any kind of relation between the meanings of the words. For example, the word is here, you can say true. So true is a antonym, that is a word. So true antonym has false. तो ट्रू और फॉल्स के बीच में कोई और तीसरा वर्ड नहीं है, या तो ट्रू होगा या फॉल्स होगा, बिकॉज दे आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. नेक्स्ट इज alive and dead. या तो alive होगा या dead होगा. There is no middle ground. The next is friend, or we can say enemy. I think spelling is error, F-R-I-E-N-D. That is correct spelling, F-R-I-E-N-D. I got committed mistake to write you. So friend and enemy, they are just opposite. There is not relation. So next, the example of the binary or complementary, you can say here, that is a true, false, alive, dead, friend, enemy, or some other examples we have also here. Okay, next example is open, close. So these are some of few examples of the binary, or we can say complementary antonym. So you have to understood there is not middle ground. It means exhaust all relations between two or more than two words. Coming to the next antonym, that is antonym number 2. We called it polar or gradable antonymy. Number 2 is polar or gradable antonyms. Polar gradable means these words have a scale or degree to represent the antonyms. You can say degree or scale to represent the antonyms. For example, the word is young, old. So why it is called polar or gradable? Because young becomes younger to measure the degree, and old becomes older. Again, young becomes youngest and old becomes oldest. Next example is hot, cold, because hot becomes hotter, hottest, cold, coldest. Next, we can say here regarding to the polar or gradable antonyms, that is happy and sad. We can say happier, happiest, sad, sadder, saddest. Next, we can say here, that is next we have tall, short, because tall becomes taller, tallest. Short, shortest. You can say big, small. Big becomes bigger, biggest, small becomes smallest. So that is the second type of antonymy. Now come to the third type of the antonymy, that is called relational, or you can say converse antonymy. Number 3 is relational, or you can say converse antonyms. It means relational means showing something relation between the words. It is just opposite of polar or gradable, or you can say complementary or binary antonyms. So polar, or you can say relational or converse antonyms, examples like parent, child. It means to being the parent, they must have child. Without child, no one can call parent to somebody. Next is teacher, student, because it shows something relations. Being a teacher, students must be there. Next, as the relational, you can say that is above, below. Just we can say X is above to Y and Y is above to below. Next is friend, enemy. Yes, because friend, that is a word, so every friend has enemy. It means no one is free from the enemy. So this is called the relational or converse antonyms. So we have some other kinds of antonyms, but I stop here because my intention is only to aware about the types of antonyms. So we discussed only 3 types of antonyms here with examples. You can find so many examples of it. So I hope we have covered a topic that is called antonym and its types. So thank you so much to watch the video, and please subscribe the channel.